Well, it looks like it snowed a little bit last night. Now it's raining, so I beg my pardon with the wetness. Here's a quick walk around of it. New seat cover on it. Carpet kit's new in the box. It still has to be installed, but I'll make sure it's inside the truck for when it's delivered for you. For you. Difficult to do one-handed. Very difficult to do one-handed. There we go. Nice and clean for the old girl. Like I said, all the hoses are new. Wires, plugs, carburetor. Oil's fresh. Radiator's new. It's an original what was it, a 3-core I think that was mentioned, that was refurbished, so that's super fresh. Good ornament or letters. Here's again. Sorry about the darkness. Oh, fingers in the way. Bed. Right now the bags in the back are fully dropped. So you can sort of see it has a little bit of the Cali lean, as they would call it. And then you air it up the Schrader valves. Right there, and right there. Raise it right up as high as you like. It's pretty sweet, actually. Tailgate functioning. Like I say, I apologize for the bad weather. I was hoping that it wouldn't have been so gross out. Gas tank seal around the tank here. That's brand new. Of course, the mirrors, which I sent you with pictures. Wipers, horn, heater. Everything works, turn signals. Get in it and enjoy it. Cool, man.